everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package from Hobby Lobby. I needed to run some errands this morning, so when I went by to pick up a prescription, it's right by the Hobby Lobby, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go see what's on sale. My daughter is going to be doing a teaching day because she is in school to become an elementary ed teacher, and she has to teach a full day, and she was doing a like Hawaiian theme. She's gonna give them little plane tickets, you know, so they get on the plane, and not a real plane obviously, but just cute. And so I know that Hobby Lobby has the party thing, so I thought I'd look to see if any of that was on sale. It's not this week. So the stickers were 40% off, and this I used my 40% off coupon. So I just got some oh, what do we call this? I can't remember what we call this. It'll come to me, but I think you guys know what it is. It's just that paper. I cannot remember the name. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I have a card here that I'm going to send. Isn't this cute? I actually really like how I colored her. I like the colors and everything. I don't even know when I did it, but I did it. It's cute, so I'm getting ready to send that out, but that's not what this is about. This is about stickers. I found these. So with those little memory decks things that we're doing, there's a lot of these are for those, but I bought all different themes. I'm so excited. So I got those sunflowers and these sunflowers. My daughter loves sunflowers, so I thought these would be cute for her too. So I'm going to use some, but then I might give some to her. And I found these little eyelashes. There's a card that I have in my head, and I was thinking of getting like real eyelashes and putting them on there, but that's kind of expensive unless I don't know. I still might do it because I kind of like that idea better. These, I don't know. These don't really do much for me, but I don't know. It might be really cute, so we'll see. I might use those for that. These, I know that you guys have seen me haul these before, but I love them, and I thought I could use them on the card, but I didn't want to give up my set. So I bought more so that I can use these and not feel bad about it. These cute cupcakes, the glitter and the epoxy. And I had not seen these. Look at these. It's my little girl in a mermaid. Oh my goodness. I just absolutely love every one of those. And I got 2 of those. Found this cute gingerbread house. Love the Santa. I'm a sucker for this car. And I love all of it. A Very Merry Noel. That's cute. Joy to the World. And I couldn't pass up googly-eyed reindeer. Or googly-eyed penguins. My son loves penguins. So whenever I see penguins, I always think of him. So I might have to make him a card with these on there. And some fox. I just thought these were really cute. Same with these little pooches. And these putty tats. And then I got these for 4th of July. My little chihuahua and my bully dog. I love, love, love them. And these chefs are really cute. I thought that would be neat. And some flamingos, because why not? And then I got these flamingos as well because I wasn't sure which ones I'd want to use. And then I figured, you know what, I'll get them both because they're cute. And some really cute bees. And then these 4th of July stickers. And I know I've gotten these before, but I thought that I would give these to Katie so she could have them to put on. I'll put them in her little chest that I got for her. She can use them as a teacher to put on papers. And then I saw these and I couldn't pass them up, and I wasn't sure if I wanted these dogs or the other dogs, but when I saw them again, I was like, I'm just going to get them both because these are Taz for sure, and I just love him. And I love that you get 2 pieces. And they're like a little more than $1. So cupcakes, I thought that would be cute for birthdays. Same with this one, the Make-A-Wish. And the Air Force one I thought would be neat for one of my friends. And Then I got these number stickers and these cute holly berries. So that's it. I just got a stack of paper of stickers, and yeah, everything was 40% off. I don't know how long that will go on, but the ones that were $1.99 came up $1.19. The ones that were $2.99 came up $1.79. The ones that were $3.99 came up $2.39, and the ones that are $2.49 came up $1.49. So pretty good, pretty good. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.